Hey guys, Tuesday, February the 20th of 2024. Looking at U.S. Close session on nat gas. Let's check it out without any further delay. As you can see, a nice little bull kicker. And found support at this 50% on the Andrews pitchfork. And so far it's hanging in there. Volume was pretty good. So that looks good. Is it a bull trap? I don't know. I'm 50-50. Could be the bottom, could be a bull trap. Hockey stick here on the MACD. I like to see that. Looks like a kissed a linear regression channel here. Too early to tell, but that's where it's at now. Yeah, pretty much. And then on the Hikanashi, you got a candle of a body, clear body or open space. So that's positive, but the trend is still down and it's still risky because it's not white yet. And if you're, conservative, you want to at least let it get to at least 183, but then, it hit $2 and then you're done. So, you got to play however you want to risk it. MACD still positive, volume looking good. Let's go to a midpoint chart. And on the daily, same thing here. Targets to the upside, bigger target would be 194, obviously, the April 14 low. I have moved my target now at 152. Stop at 150. What I think could probably be playing out, and this is just me, speculating, entice the bulls, bring it here, maybe somewhere around the 26 if it plays out, because I'm watching that day, slam it back down. Could be a fail new low or could even push lower. So I'm entertaining those two thoughts, either a fail new low, a double bottom and then pop, or push it even lower. And I could be in the risk of getting stopped out, but I'm raising my target entry just in case. Now the other thing is that it could continue and the train left the station and the 26 come and it's still chugging along sideways to grinding higher. Then the strategy has to change. Now you have to wait for a good dip, buy position, and then see if you can ride it far enough if it wants to continue going into April, because we know April is strong. Is it going to be playing out? Guaranteed that April is going to be strong, $3-4. We don't know, but in theory, seasonality wise, April is strong. So that's my game plan. So I'm watching that. Levels, look at that. It kissed the 171 right to, I think what was the high? 172? Yeah, 172. This level was a magnet. So this is for the week. So you're already at the midpoint. If you cross above the midpoint, then things are looking bullish. Targets to the upside would be 183, 193, and $2. If it gets to $2 and you're long from this area, if it was me, I'll lock in profit. I am waiting because I'm leaning that maybe there might be one more, and that could probably be around the 26. So maybe it could be it's going to try to fill this gap. I don't know. Could be a lot of possibilities. But those are the targets to the upside. The ones to the downside, 150 and 142. And for tomorrow, if you can stay above 180, 162, the midpoint, if they're going to flush it overnight and this finds support or dips it and then it kind of gets above there and it goes up, that's a good strength sign that it may want to test 170, maybe go to 176, and maybe go to 180 for the U.S. Open for tomorrow. But if it fails, targets to the downside will be 152, 148, and 143 if they're going to slam it. Statistically, is a bearish trading day and a bearish weekday. So you can see that the bearish trading day today didn't pan. Well, it happened in the overnight. So it was kind of choppy here. It didn't really go down, just kind of sideways. But then something happened here around 6:10 and they popped it. So it didn't really apply to here. Or the price action didn't really confirm a push down lower. So that's what happened. So you got your targets for tomorrow for your U.S. session. As long as you can stay above here, above VWAP, targets to the upside, all these targets up here I'm going to sign out. Hopefully you like this video, and I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on natural gas.